focusing on trends and approaches in healthcare in the context of 21st century. The whole idea is to create and generate knowledge about what are the challenges and what are the solutions, what innovations are required as of now to deal with the challenges of 21st century. We in 21st century face several challenges. One of the most important challenges that we are facing is because of the changing disease burden. Up till now we had diseases like cholera, typhoid, all those sorts of things. But now we have more chronic diseases or non-communicable diseases like cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease or heart diseases. So in coming time, this is 2014, and by 2020, almost 70-75% of the disease burden will be because of these diseases. And we need to be ready for that, and we need to really create awareness among policymakers. We need to do research in this area, how new strategies can be developed for dealing with this disease burden due to new types of diseases which have just started appearing in India. The other important thing that is happening now in 21st century we anticipate is, the increasing population, particularly aging population. Now their healthcare needs are very different, and we have to prepare ourselves for meeting the challenges of healthcare needs of old people. Now this conference, what we are doing, we have invited experts to speak on these issues. What we are doing also is giving opportunity to our management graduates to present their own studies in the context of these challenges. So not only it's going to help them to create their knowledge, but also their confidence, their ability, and more importantly, as I said earlier, employability. Today we have a problem of youth which are not employable. That's a big problem that is coming up. I don't know what is the reason for this. Is the quality of education or lack of jobs? But as an employer, I feel they are not employable. So we need to really develop this young youth into a skillful, knowledgeable group of people, because they are going to be the largest and will be there for another 40-50 years, and the whole development of the nation will depend on their own skill sets, their competence, their motivation, their ability to perform. I think that we are going to handle in this particular conference. Dr. Dhirendra Kumar, who is the director of this institute, is leading this particular conference. IHMR Bangalore is trying to create a momentum for improving health of the people through improved management of the healthcare organizations and hospitals